Hey everybody, Megan O here, and we are going to walk you through the life cycle of a flip project. And this is just one example of something that was worked on by myself, actually, and my husband. So this is a project of our own. And this is one way you can build wealth through real estate. You can purchase a property, improve a property, and then go turn around and sell it on the open market. We are going to kind of dive in and walk through a real quick breakdown of what all you have to do to work on a project. So this particular property did happen to be a family property, so we did not necessarily have to go and search for it. It was already within our family, and we knew that it was going to need a full, extensive renovation. This was going to be all 5 major systems as well as cosmetic. So we're just showing you here a few beginning photos. So you can see we had to have foundation work. This had extensive foundation repair that had to be done. It was a house built in the 70s, of course, that did not have the foundation like we know about it now. So you will see in the entryway darker patches of concrete, which is where they drilled and then poured in support piers in order to lift the foundation. So we had extensive foundation work done. We also had a full HVAC replacement. So the entire furnace and cooling units were replaced in the home. As you can see, the ones that were there were the originals. Pretty cool to see an original unit still functioning in 2022, but it was not anywhere in decent shape, so we had to replace it entirely. In addition to that, we had to pretty much take the bathrooms down to the studs. We had to put in new plumbing fixtures, new bathtub, new toilet, all of that good stuff in the bathrooms because we did not have sufficient items there. The roof was also replaced from the old shingles that were inappropriately attached to the roof to the new shingles. We had plumbing work done extensively inside as well as outside, repairs to the plumbing lines. There were some plumbing breaks post foundation, so those were addressed and fixed. And of course the HVAC that we mentioned, and then the roof that we mentioned. There was a new electrical panel that was installed as well on the exterior of the property, so we moved it from the garage to the exterior. Then after that, all of what we did was the renovations inside the property. So paint, floors, kitchen cabinets, bathroom vanities, toilets, tub, all of that good stuff. The roof was fixed, like we mentioned. Then we brought in the appliances. The appliances were put in the property, and the kitchen was updated, countertops, flooring, etc. was all done. So from start to finish, this whole project actually took 3 months to renovate the property. We began renovations around July 4th, and we took it to market in October of the same year. So July pretty much to the last finishing touches in October. The very beginning were to landscaping the exterior of the property, but other than that, it was ready to go. And that's kind of the whole life cycle. So it can take you several months when you're doing a large renovation project to get the project ready for market, but once it is, then you bring it to market. So just to recap on that one, we did 4 months of renovation on that one, and we brought it to market in November of 2022, and it closed in December of 2022. It did have extensive work that needed to be done. That was the reason for why it took so long to renovate. All right, that's the life cycle of a flip, this particular flip in particular, and we'll see you next time for wealth building.
I'm Megan O, a realtor and a certified divorce real estate expert with Compass Real Estate.